Hey everybody, Sam back once again. I know you've not heard my voice for quite a while and it does sound a little different. I am under the weather again, unfortunately, but I've got to do this video. I've got to start shooting more videos. I apologise for the lack of videos. I am going to be doing more. I've actually got some very cool products to review while I'm here with my nice purple table. Anyway, let's be honest, you're not here to hear about me, or are you? If you are, then leave me a comment down below telling me you are. If you're not and you want to hear for the Pixel 2 XL unboxing, let's do it. Now, some people are going to go, but Sam, why man? Why have you not had it before now? A couple of good questions, and yeah, good answer I've got as well. I didn't feel like I needed another Android phone because it's a stock Android phone. Everyone goes, yeah, but the camera's amazing. I'm like, my cameras are already pretty epic anyway. I've got a Mate 10 Pro and an S8 Plus. Do I need much better? And I've been convinced into finally getting one. So yeah. Anyway, let's take it around the box really quick. It's got the month on the back, on the bottom should I say. On the right side, as you can see here, it shows you the side of the phone pretty much. And then at the side here, Google Assistant built in with a little lens. And then the back, Team Pixel, Google. Anyway, let's cut through this because I want to cut through it. Boom. Always feels good. Let's have a look. You ready for it? Dun dun dun. And there she is. So I went for the black and white one, as the people call it, the Panda or the Stormtrooper, whichever you want to call it. Let's just chuck it out of there. Oh, hello. Let's just stick that to one side really quickly. Don't worry, we are coming back to it. Let's just see what we also get inside the box, because yeah, again, I've never had a Pixel before, so this is the first time. I have seen a few unboxings, but as you're probably like me, you don't watch the full unboxing now, because an unboxing's an unboxing. I watch some of them fully if I like the person. So yay, welcome to Team Pixel. Thank you very much. What's inside here then? We have our SIM ejector, our Let's Get Started cards. So you get Let's Get Started, you got Be Safe, Be Happy. Yeah, and this tells you what you're going to get inside the box, which we're going to show you anyway, so go away, Google. Anyway, let's chuck that off to the side. I don't really need that. I always think this is pretty cool that they give you inside the box. So this is so you can transfer data from a previous phone over to this. So an example is you've got an iPhone, this goes into your Pixel, use your iPhone, lead your lightning cable into this, boom, the Pixel will take it all across for you. So I'll take it out of there as well. I must say, I do like the presentation that they do give. It's a very nice kind of rounded kind of option. I don't know what I'm saying. And we get the headphone adapter. Yeah, that's a bit of a beast, isn't it? Jeez, look at that up to the phone. It's massive. Yeah, that's what she said. Anyway, we'll be testing that because I've been told it is pretty high quality. We also get, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yes, a USB-C to USB-C actual cable. So as you know, most of them they give you is a USB to USB-C, whereas Google are given a C to a C, not a C to an A. And then you get the massive UK power brick. Obviously, me being in the UK, it's fairly substantial. And don't forget to pop it out. I know people who try to shove that in a plug, try to go, and it don't fit. I'm like, come on, man, just pop it out. And as you can see, they're USB-C, which will go to my USB-C cable, which is pretty cool. The only problem I've kind of got with that is, let's say I've got a normal laptop, such as a MacBook, which I do have, and I don't have a cable to hook it to my computer. What do I do? Yeah, I would have liked maybe another adapter or just another cable. I believe you got in the first Pixel, you got 2 cables. They could have done it in this one, couldn't they, the cheeky buggers? Anyway, let's chuck that off to the side as well, because here is the star of the show. I must admit, I do like the look of them. I know some people go, no, I don't like the, the kind of two-tone with the glass and then the metal. I personally like it. I like that it's a bit smaller this year, though. So let's take this off there. And voila, look at that. Huh? Yep, come off. Stick that down. Let's chuck the plastic off to the side. And let's come back in and have a look. I must say, it feels lovely. It doesn't feel metal. That's the first thing. Now, this is something I was reading with some people going, yeah, it's got this kind of like coating on there to protect the metal, etc. And obviously, if you've seen Jerry Rig Everything, it's where he scratches the crap out of it. Fair play. My question is, LG, who make this phone, did something similar with the G5 and everyone bitched about it. But I don't see anyone bitching about this, even though they've said it is an aluminium phone, it's a metal phone. And it's a similar, doesn't feel the same, but it's a similar process. So yeah, tell me, are you happy that they've put this on there? And there's not as many people complaining like they did with the G5. The G5 had a lot of problems. Don't get me wrong. It had problems. But this, it's not that far off it. I mean, got to admit, I do like the feel of it. It feels lovely and smooth. Let's take you around the device really quickly. So on the bottom of there, you've just got that USB Type-C. As you're going down the right side, as I like that, you've got your volume up and down, and then you've got your power, which is an awesome neon orange there. On the top, you've just got a microphone. And then down the left side, as you can see just about there, you have got your SIM tray. Now, this is a 64GB model. I was umming and ahhing whether to get a 128, and I've checked my other phones, and I'm not using anywhere near 64. I'm like hovering like over 32, 33. So this is more than enough for me. And as you can see here on the back of it, you've got that 12-megapixel camera with the flash and the fingerprint scanner, along with the Google logo. On the front of it, it is a 6-inch display with dual front-facing speakers, as you can see there. I must say, I do like that. And then you've got the front-facing camera, which is there, which I believe, off the top of my head, I believe is 8 megapixel. If I'm wrong, just shout at me in the comments and I'll shout at myself here as well. But if I'm right, way, go me. Again, the Pixel phones, for as cool as I've always thought, you know, they're pretty cool, I've never really taken a massive interest in them. I don't know why, but I've finally done it and I'm going to give my thoughts. I've been unboxing a lot of products and I've not really done any reviews. I am going to be doing the full reviews as well. So I am going to have my Mate 10, my Mate 10 Pro, my S8 Plus review. Yes, I know, quite an old phone now, but I'm still going to do a video on it. But I'm going to do some live streams. Anyway, I'm going to shut up. I'm going to get off. I'm going to do another video of this one now on the initial setup, just to see what it's like on a Pixel versus another Android phone. See if there's any extra goodies you do get inside here. Anyway, that's it. If you've got any questions with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. And if you don't, because I've not been around for a while, I will tell you right now. You can hit me, put a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Why? Because it's free. And go on, while you're there, smash that like button. Go on, you know you want to. And finally, if you want to hit me up on Twitter, Facebook, you name it, all links are down below as well. And I will have 2 previous videos on screen. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and you will definitely see me and hear me in my future videos. Cheers, everyone.